Most of the people that's on Echo Dot don't know that Echo Dot can be used also as a Bluetooth speaker. So in this video I will show you how to use Echo Dot as a Bluetooth speaker. To connect the Echo Dot as a Bluetooth speaker, open the Bluetooth menu in your phone and then say Alexa, pair.
Searching.
Also click on the scan if needed. After a few seconds, you will see the Echo Dot under Available Devices. Click on the Echo Dot and then click OK. And you are connected. Now you can play music from your phone directly to the Echo Dot. Also you can use commands like Alexa, pause the music. Alexa, resume the music. Alexa, volume 2. Alexa, next song. Alexa, stop. If you want to learn how to add Bluetooth speaker to your Echo devices, click on the next video.